Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers cheap page local and long distance movers near me. For humans, relocations are difficult to undertake. Most times, we are afraid to go through with relocations because we do not know what's waiting for us at our new destination. We prefer to sit back and enjoy our present, cozy space. However, relocation is not bad. In fact, it has plenty of advantages that you could enjoy. Let 3Movers show you the benefits of relocating. We are very close to you here in Page, Arizona, and you can reach out to us at any time you want. We are always available to meet your needs. Moving to a new place allows you to make new friends. It provides you with new opportunities and possibilities while you meet new people. If you love to see new sights too, then you may consider relocation as a variable option. But there is a catch. As exciting and fantastic as the idea of relocation is, you'll not enjoy the process if you do not make adequate and effective plans to see it through. The relocation process is an exhausting one. Hence, you must take time out to plan for it well. The first step to secure a successful relocation is to invite a good and reliable moving company to help you with your move, and in should come 3Movers. With us, you can be assured that your move will be stress-free. We also make it a point of duty to focus on your needs. Every plan we make revolves around you, your schedule, and your budget. Hence, you can focus on other essential things you need to do regarding the relocation. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Page Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.